Hi guys, welcome back to Sammy's Kitchen and happy Dasara to all of you first of all. And I'm extremely excited to share with you how did I lose 2 kg in 2 weeks. So I'm going to give you 5 tips or 5 things which I did so that I can lose 2 kg or I think 2.5 kgs in 2 weeks. First important tip is get rid of your addictions. So I'm a coffee addict. I go to enormous n number of cafes through Pune, Bangalore, wherever I go, and I have a coffee with sugar. So that was adding a lot of sugar to my diet. So I stopped having coffee for around 2 weeks when I was losing weight, losing fat in fact. Second important tip is what I did personally was I kept my carbs high so I could work out. I was doing cardio a lot. Then I was having protein around 1.8 gram to 2 gram into my body weight. Where did I get the calorie deficit from? So I got it from my fats. So 1 gram of fat is around 9 calories. So 50 gram of fats I reduced. So I did not have any ghee, milk, paneer, butter. I was having lean protein like chicken. So I was already in 500 calorie deficit. Third important tip which I am going to give you is cardio. So I was doing cardio every single day. I was running for around 40 minutes. I was doing my push-up, pull-ups, double bar, everything 7 days a week. So even on a Sunday, I used to go for a walk around 2 to 3 hours a day. This is the third important tip. Fourth important tip or fourth important thing what I did was I did not compromise with my diet and my supplements, natural supplements. I did this without any whey protein, without any supplements. This is the only supplement I do. So it improves immunity and keeps you like awesome throughout the day. It will give you that satiation feeling. So this is the fourth important tip. You have to have ashwagandha and a banana every day. Fifth important tip or thing which helped me was pre-workout. This is a peanut butter from Right Bite. So pre-workout, this is around 400 calories, some 6 gram of fiber and 4 grams of protein, enough for a pre-workout. I did not have coffee because I'm addicted to it. And also one thing which helped me when I was not feeling to eat the chicken or fish which I have regularly, I was eating this yoga bar muesli which has nuts, seeds. You can have it with water or milk. I was having it with milk around 100 ml. Absolutely phenomenal. So these are only 5 things which I did guys to lose 2 to 2.5 kgs in 2 weeks. Each body is different, how it will respond, how it will lose fat and all. But you can try it and let me know if it was helpful. If you need any guidance in diet, nutrition, HIIT, I'm there for you. And again, I'm really thankful for your enormous response. I got hundreds of messages from Instagram and Facebook. So I will keep on uploading these videos, and also from many trainers I got that this is a very honest review. So thank you again. See you next week when I talk about how you can maintain your diet during the festival period even after having your festival sugar. So bye bye guys, thank you for your support.